Anastasia Pinto from the Archdiocese of Vasai. I am a teacher by profession. I am also a UCAT India missionary. I head the social medias team for UCAT India. And first and foremost, I would like to congratulate you and thank you for attending this workshop, You Can with UCAT. And I believe and I hope, our team hopes that you had a very beautiful time throughout these 3 days. And I am here for a very special purpose. I am here to invite you for something, but before that, I would like to share a small experience of mine before I could tell you what the special program is. So I experienced the Lord at the age of 17 through the Holy Eucharist, and my life completely changed after that. Being a part of the youth ministry from past 6 years has been a very beautiful experience and adventurous one. And I have come across youth of different religions, different cultures, they speak different languages, they have different perspectives, youth who are very, very, very diverse, alright? And I believe even you must have come across different kinds of youth. But there is one thing in common, in all of them, though they are so diverse, but a common trend, and that is they love to be heard. They love to speak, they love to share their experiences, they love to share their achievements, they love to share their skill and their talent. So this is the reason we as youth ministers, as youth leaders, youth animators are called to encourage the youth, are called to encourage them, to bring them on board and be the now of Christ and be the now of the church. So what we do at UCAT India, I have been a part of this youth movement, UCAT, from past 1 year, and it has been a beautiful journey ever since I've joined this team. And something that we follow here is not studying the catechism alone. So it is not just a monologue where just one person is speaking and the other person is hearing, but it is like a conversation, it is like a dialogue, a two-way communication. It is not just me learning about my faith alone, no, it is me along with one more person, along with one more youth. So Pope Francis says, you must have heard this all throughout these 3 days, that if you want to do something for the youth, if you want to evangelize a young person, do it with another young person. So that is the reason we at UCAT India are launching a nationwide study group, and it is called Train the Trainer program. And we are inviting you to be a part of this special program of 26 weeks, where we will go through different topics from the UCAT, from the DOCAT, from different encyclicals of the Pope, different documents of the Catholic Church. And this will not be just a training for you, but we are also looking forward to have a national network with you and to help you begin study groups in your diocese, in your parishes, in your youth groups, communities, or your friend circles. So some basic points. What have you to do? What should you do to be a part of this Train the Trainer program? So you need to gather a group of 2 to 8 young people and sign up for our program. You will attend a 1-hour UCAT study group conducted by us with our UCAT tools. You will conduct the same study topic for your small group within 1 week. So each one of you registering for this program should have at least a group of 8 young people whom you would further train every week simultaneously along with our training program. Small experience of mine with learning in study groups. Okay, I have read the UCAT alone, just as a book. I have gone through it, but I love this approach where we study it together, or where we learn together, where we share with each other through these small groups, through these small study groups. So 6 months, it's been 6 months that we have begun with a study group for the Diocese of Hyderabad, and my experience learning in this study group has been amazing and beautiful and very enriching for me personally. And I was enlightened by this group by the sharing of a young person. Just one statement, how that helped me. We met for our study group on one Saturday evening. We were a group of 5, and we were just reading through the question, a single question named who is man, or why did God create man? Just a simple one, a DOCAT question. So the text from the DOCAT said that, of course from Genesis also, the verse says that man was created in the image and likeness of God. Man is created in the image and likeness of God. So man himself is an image of God. And we read through this text and we started sharing. And one young girl just shared one statement. She said that, I loved this sentence where it says that no man is created in the image of God. So speaking to another person is like speaking to God himself. And this one sentence has stayed with me ever since, and it has enlightened me. I just love this concept of the study group because it is not a teaching concept. It is not where one person teaches, the other person just listens. No. It is where each one of us shares what we feel about that particular text, and that enlightens the opposite person. So we encourage you to be a part of this Train the Trainer program, and also begin study groups in your diocese, in your parishes, among your friends, with your youth groups, and be a part of this faith-filled, fun, beautiful, refreshing and amazing journey of learning about our faith and growing more closer to Christ and closer to our church and falling in love with the church.